Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're right now. So, guys, I just want to share you list of the international standards, which is British Standard and IEC, and I will share all of the list so that you can select or know what is inside of the standard, and this is relevant to your work, uh, getting ideas and more knowledge to learn and inputs if you are new graduates or new workers, or either you are new studying and related design, etc. And this will be help for you guys to have an international standard. This is our basis for our project. So a sort of idea, and also since I have an effort about to get this all these documents, so I just want to have a sort of a small amount on these kinds of presentations, my documents, which is ready to share to your emails, and let me know if you are ready to buy these books or ebooks, and also some of the electrical books, which is under PDF file. Okay, so shall we start? So as you can see, this is our list of standard. This is a British standard. So we have plug sockets, specification, luminaires, cable trunking, motor starter, generals, rotating, etc. So I cannot read all of this one by one. So you can check, and based on your requirements, you can identify clearly what is your requirements. If you either instrument, rotating machines, electrical instrumentations, whatever, as you can see in this list. So another pile. So safety rules, construction, installation, escalation, all of this. Okay. So MCB and MCCB, general purpose, copper, electric purpose. So this is a lot of files, guys. So this files is very huge file. Then are you interested this? So I uh, I will requesting to you guys, so to help and continuous learning and studying all of our activities related electrical instrumentations, telecom and safety, QA/QC, construction, pre-commissioning, installation, okay, commissioning. So this is all the files under British standard. So it's ready. It's in my drive, and whoever interested, let me know all of this. So general requirements. Now we are proceed for the IEC standard. This is the IEC standard combination. So this one, see, as you can see, it is ready to email. So guide, amendment, color. As you can see that low voltage, low voltage, adjustable speed, electrical. So high voltage. Now we are in the conclusion. So only the small amount in peso, guys. This is in peso and Philippine peso. IEC is worth 500 peso. So British standards is worth 500 peso. To buy both IEC and British standard, you have a discount, 20% discount. If you are interested, send me information, and I will share to you directly to your email address so that you can download the files accordingly. So when you buy both standards, IEC and British standard, you have additional electrical book, which is electrical wiring, commercial, and then I have an offshore journal, and also we have electrical power book, handbook, and electrical best practice, electrical circuit theory, and ISNA lighting handbook, mathematics, electrical engineering, computing in EC, so power management system. This is all the informations that is additional given to you if you buy both standards. All right. So let me know, and I will share you through email all of this uh, PDF. Okay, and have a nice day, guys. Just enjoy. And then I have so many videos also you can check and slowly learning in our practices. Okay, bye bye.